Your home deserves a statement piece that turns heads. But the gap between a glossy website photo and the box on your porch can be a total nightmare. Right now, a site called Lunara Lights London is making waves with some seriously impressive visuals. They showcase these ultra-modern wall lights and artistic chandeliers that look like they belong in a luxury penthouse. The branding is sharp. The layout is clean. Everything about the digital experience suggests a high-end boutique that knows exactly what it is doing. But a pretty website is just a digital coat of paint. You have to look past the aesthetic and ask if this is a reliable place to spend your hard-earned money. One of the biggest hurdles in this industry is the use of generic supplier photos. These are professional images that many different retailers use to sell products of varying quality. You might be looking at a photo of a solid metal fixture, while the actual item being shipped is a cheaper imitation. This makes transparency the most important factor of all. You need to know exactly who you are dealing with and where they are located. Shipping lighting is a massive logistical challenge. These pieces are often heavy and incredibly fragile. If they are coming from an international warehouse, the risk of damage during transit skyrockets. You also have to consider the nightmare of a return. Sending a large, broken chandelier back to an overseas address can be expensive and frustrating. You must read every single word of their return policy before you even think about hitting that checkout button. Look for those hidden restocking fees that can eat up half of your refund. Do not just rely on the glowing testimonials on their own homepage either. It is way too easy for a company to filter out the bad experiences and only show you the highlights. You have to hunt for independent reviews on third-party sites. See what people are saying about the actual build quality and the responsiveness of the customer service team. If a price seems too good to be true for a massive statement light, it probably is. There is a huge difference between genuine brass and painted steel. Lunara Lights London appears to be a real, functioning storefront rather than a blatant trap. But that does not mean every purchase will be a home run. You are essentially taking a calculated risk. If you really love their style, do not go all in on a massive centerpiece right away. Start with something small and manageable. Buy one simple fixture to test the waters. See how they handle the packaging and how long the shipping actually takes. Once you have a physical product in your hands, you will know if the quality matches the hype. It is always better to be cautious than to end up with a box of shattered glass and a depleted bank account. Trust has to be earned through consistent delivery, not just a beautiful Instagram feed. Keep your expectations grounded and do your homework before you commit to a major home upgrade. If you see a price that looks like a steal, it usually reflects the materials used. High-end lighting is an investment, and skipping the research phase is the fastest way to end up with buyer's remorse. Pay attention to the fine print, look for real-world photos from actual customers, and never assume that a professional logo equals a premium experience. Stay sharp and shop smart.